the stage. Clear the stage, please. Music, DJ.
Okpebholo and is no come.
Hold on. Please bring it down. Bring it down.
Hi.
Senator Monday Okpebholo.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful.
I will be faithful
And bear true allegiance.
and bear true allegiance
To the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And that I will preserve.
I will preserve,
Protect. And defend. The Constitution of the Federal Republic
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God. Oath of office of governor. I.
Senator Monday Okpebholo.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly
that I will be faithful. And bear true allegiance. To the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That as the governor of Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability. Faithfully. And in accordance. With the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And the law. And always in the interest of the sovereignty. Integrity. Solidarity. Well-being. And prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will exercise the authority vested in me as governor so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully invested in the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And so as not to endanger the continuance of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people. According to law. Without fear or favor. Affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly. Communicate or reveal to any person. Any matter. Which shall be brought under my consideration. Or shall become known to me. As governor of Edo State. Except as may be required. For the due discharge. Of my duties as governor. And that I will devote myself. To the service and well-being. Of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to be the first person to announce to you that we have duly elected and just sworn in His Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Saba. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, the Governor of the State, most distinguished Senator Monte Okpebholo Akbakomisa. Music. Yes,